Yes, yes, it's a waterfall.
So
This early morning.
for 2 hours, 1 hour.
So it's early 7 o'clock and hopefully we'll be back by 9. Already time. So it seems like she haven't recovered from yesterday's trek. Let's see. So today's trek is towards the waterfall area, and unlike the last day trek that we did, this is not an uphill trek. This is more of similar levels of path which needs to be taken, but it's a difficult route as well. You can see that mist in the air, which gives you a real good vibe and a real motive or encouragement to get ahead. This is the last stretch and the dangerous stretch that we get into the waterfall area. Believe me, it's not at all easy. It's a really tough track. Finally, we are at the waterfall area. So if you see the waterfall streams are very less right now. Once the monsoon gets heavier, even this path which we came through will be completely filled with water. Will be a heavy flow of river as well. After that tiring and extensive trek that we did, it's time for breakfast. And yes, they do have a good variety of food, and it's really good options of breakfast that they provide to you. Now that it's the time for some pottery, that's again one of the activity that they conduct at the resort. Again, there are specific timelines for this activity as well. So this is a space of where they do the pottery, and as you see, there are a number of artworks as well which they display over here. I think it's for sale as well, because if you really look around, you can see the price tags attached to that. So giving it a price tag, that means it is definitely for sale. So this is the price tag that they have attached. I'm not sure how often or how regular people do buy these artworks, but then these artworks are really nice. I would really appreciate to have one of these at my living room or at my place. Nice, unique artworks, most of them. Now these are portraits which are done by other people or the other guests who are here, like this lady or Smriti is doing. So now it's Smriti's turn finally. She will be making her pottery with the help of that expert. she's on the final touches, getting her pottery completed. Yes, and that's it. That's that's a nice activity and nice souvenir, I suppose. Yes, so we are heading to have our lunch. So it's a little bit of hill that you have to take through the stairs just to reach the main pathway which leads to the cafe. Everything that they did over here, it gives you a real good feel of being in such a place. You see, it's not a handrails or anything like that. It's a simple rock which gives you a real feel of being in a place like this. Mushrooms popping out, and I think by the small ones might not be an edible ones, but then once we really get into that monsoon time, I think you will find a lot of mushrooms and everything. Let me take you through the food selection that they provide for lunch. Since we are here for lunch, so they have salads, pickles, couple of good varieties of pickles. That's a garlic pickle which I personally like. Again, some different pickle, mango pickle, and the chili pickle. That's again one of my favorite. I used to take it during all course of meals. Then once you come over here, this is another favorite that I like, the bakri. Bakri, it's a type of roti that you normally find over these places. You have different selection of rices, the vegetarian selection, and again it's good to see what exactly is the main ingredient, which is just kept right in front of the dish as well. Some dessert selections, and we come to the non-veg selection, which is the mutton, fish and prawns. So today it's fish, otherwise it's normally chicken. Mutton is something which I really enjoyed, the preparation that they have over here. It's delicious. So by evening, it's time for Mehndi, and Smriti is getting the Mehndi done. It's again good for me too, while Smriti gets her Mehndi done, just to have a cup of coffee and sit and relax and enjoy the weather. So here we are at their cultural event. So as I've told in last vlog, every day they have a different cultural event which is happening, and today it's the lamp dance by the Goans, which is truly amazing because again the weight of those lamps are also, those are brass lamps with heavy weight to balance it and get this dance done. It's truly amazing. Hats off to those people. I do really hope that you all will enjoy. Hi guys, good morning, and we are at our last day here at Wilderness Nature Resort. So, a few more hours before we check out. Actually, the morning trek has started, and we are not going or being part of it because we have already done it yesterday. So, we thought we'll just spend some time across those places where we haven't been through. Just the nearby areas, just having a casual walk, clicking a couple of photographs, and just getting the whole area into our memory. So that's what we are doing. So right now we are going for one more thing, which is to get the pottery which Smithy have made yesterday. So we are heading towards that pottery area. Hopefully it should be open. So if it's open, we'll get the pottery which have been done by you. Yeah. So let's see if you can get your pottery. So we have reached the pottery room. Pottery hall, whatever you wanna call it. Let's see where our pottery is. See, Smithy couldn't even identify which one was her pottery. So sad, Kuchu. You don't even know which one was done by you. Huh? Which one? This one? Yes, that's yours. Suka? Hard? Or soft? Let's see if you can get it to Hyderabad in this form, or just as a lump of mud. Let's see. So guys, so this is it. This was our wonderful 2 days at Wilderness Nature Resort. Truly to the name, what they have given to it. It's really nature at its best. We can stay and enjoy that calmness of nature. So that's how it is. So before we wrap up, I thought I'll just give my inputs as well, like was it worth, and how was it, what are the things that you will have to take care. So first and foremost, is it worth? Yes, definitely it's a worth, and it's a must try. But then make sure if you're visiting, you visit at the right season. So somewhere wherein the rain starts and it's not too much of rain, that's the ideal time for visiting. So as they suggest, the ideal time is from September to December, I suppose. So that's the best time to be over here. And secondly, how long should you stay? That clearly depends on what's your priority and what's your requirement. So in case if you're planning to just visit and finish all those activities that they are giving, one day is good enough, but it will be a slightly stretched day for you, because you have activities loaded up at almost every interval. So if you have to finish all the activities, then it's going to be a slightly stretch schedule for you. So in case if not, and you are looking for somewhere wherein you can actually need to relax and cut off from that regular routine that's you are into, then I would suggest you go for 2 days, because the first day, initial day, you come over here, do a couple of activities, have a little bit of relaxed time, and second day again catch up with those remaining activities, and then you have a lot of time to relax, enjoy the pool, the infinity pool. I don't have to tell you, that's a breathtaking view as well as a great experience. So keeping all those things in mind, it's worth. And in case you plan to visit from September onwards, because in heavy monsoon, I do like heavy monsoon, but then might be you won't be having that freedom of moving around as we did right now. So thank you guys for watching, and see you.
ये पर्दे ताले दिलों पे हमारे
ये foggy है गाड़ी
सालों सा
तुम overtake मत करो मारेगा तुमको ऐसे रास्ते में overtake करने की कोशिश करना
खोले कैसे ये राह
While we enjoy this weather as well as the thick fog around while we get back to Hyderabad, thank you guys for watching and thanks a lot for your love.